Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by identifying your iPhone model and the exact home button assembly. This matters because parts and connectors differ. Power the device off, eject the SIM tray, and touch a grounded metal surface to discharge static. Once done, remove the display by loosening pentalobe screws and using a suction cup plus spudger. Be gentle to avoid flex cables. Make sure you have the correct drivers and replacement button ready so the next steps go smoothly and you don't risk extra damage. With the screen propped open about 30 to 45 degrees, you disconnect the battery first to prevent short circuits. This is crucial. Next, remove any metal brackets and unscrew the tiny tri-point or Phillips screws that secure the display and home connector. Carefully detach the display and then the home button cable using a spudger. Lift the old assembly out without twisting. You need to preserve the flex cable routing and foam gaskets so the new button aligns and the touchscreen responds correctly once reassembled. Install the replacement home button by seating it in its slot and routing the flex cable along the original path. Then reconnect its cable and reinstall brackets in reverse order. Once everything is secured, reconnect the battery and power on briefly to test the home press, touch ID behavior if applicable, and screen responsiveness. Make sure the button clicks and registers. If it fails, power off and recheck connectors and cable orientation. A misaligned flex or loose connector is the most common issue to troubleshoot before final reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.